Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by confirming Bite Down is equipped and the skill tree node learned. Move into melee range while staying slightly off the enemy's forward line. This makes the bite connect more reliably. Once close, bait a light or standard attack to create an opening. Do not dash in blindly. As the enemy initiates, time your input so you interrupt their strike with Bite Down, which deals posture damage and creates an instant counter window for a follow-up. You execute Bite Down with precise timing. Press as the opponent's attack recovers to exploit posture windows. Once the bite connects, immediately follow with a quick sword slash or a prosthetic tech to rack additional posture before they regain composure. If the enemy is armored or in a group, reposition by sidestepping or a short jump to avoid counterattacks. This lets you reapply Bite Down safely. Make sure to conserve Shinobi tools and use the bite as a burst opener rather than a prolonged tactic. You finish fights by capitalizing on the stagger Bite Down produces, land the bite, then move into a death blow while the enemy's posture is collapsed, or chain a lethal prosthetic hit. If Bite Down misses, back off, reset your spacing, and bait another clear, predictable move. Trying again from the same position will often fail. If enemies use rapid multi-hit combos, switch to parry or Makiri counters instead. Then reintroduce Bite Down when a single hit opening appears to avoid wasted stamina and risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.